Alright guys, so something I want to make you guys aware of is when you cut a plug off of a battery, like this one, like if you cut that JST plug off, a lot of people commonly just cut both wires at the same time. You cannot do that. I don't know how many racers I've seen do that and sparks go everywhere. It's not like your cell's going to blow up, but it's not good for them. And any prolonged contact could cause a lipo fire. So when I'm soldering wires like this, and they're small gauge like that, and I'm going to put them into a JST connector, I strip them more than I normally would, and I'll fold them over, solder that, and then solder that thicker end of the wire into the prong before I put the prongs into the connector. Also, something I do just for my own safety, I have this jig. It's made by Protec, but something I do just because messing around, I don't know how many times I've forgotten, or the wires have accidentally touched, or just anything, is I have this mat. It's just a piece of like high density rubber. It's flexible, it's light, doesn't conduct electricity, and a soldering iron won't burn it. Solder falls right off of it. So I just body clip the positive side to one side, and as you see, like, no matter what, like, the positive and negative can't touch now. So I can put the negative side in the jig, work on it, do what I gotta do, solder it in, and then I will do the same thing with the positive side, and they're always separate. Hope that helps.